The halyard knot is a knot used on a sailing boat to connect a rope to an object. It's also used for the flags or for the sails. So, for making this knot, we take a rope, we put the rope inside the object, in this case I use this carabiner, and we pass the running hand over the standing part and we wrap around one time. Then we take the running hand and we pass it over again, but on the left, between the object and the first loop. Then we have done 2 loops and we put the running hand inside this loop here, between the object and the knot. Now it's very important to pull little by little the standing part of the running hand, and then we finish the knot by pulling very hard, and the knot is